everyone, my name is Sia and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be recommending you books and novels that are under 100 pages और ये पढ़ने में आपको 4 या 5 घंटे मैक्सिमम लगेंगे और अगर आप एक फास्ट रीडर हो तो 2 से 3 घंटे मैक्स. So we'll start from number 8. The Yellow Wallpaper, written by Charlotte Gilman. It's a short story published in 1892. This is a story about husband and wife who rent a house off in the country. The wife is suffering from severe mental illness after giving birth to a child and the husband himself is a doctor. So वो उसे bed rest करने को suggest करता है and she is kept in a large room with a yellow wallpaper. She is barred from doing anything and going anywhere, and because of his husband's controlling behavior, the wife goes crazier and crazier looking into the yellow wallpaper. In short, ये bed rest उसके लिए suffocating psychological battle बन जाता है. So it's an incredible story, it's unforgettable and you must read this once. And the best part is ये पढ़ने में आपको आधा घंटा भी नहीं लगेगा. And the next one is Lifeboat Number 8, written by Elizabeth Kay. And all the Titanic lovers, this is for you. An untold story of love, loss, and surviving the Titanic. A close look at what happened before and after Titanic sank. It tells a story of those survivors जो lifeboat number 8 में थे. This book reveals the little known story behind one of the lifeboats. Give it a try and you would love it. Number 6 is The Old Man and the Sea, written by Ernest Hemingway. और मैंने अभी कुछ दिनों पहले ही इसे पढ़ा ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए and I'm glad I read this. No wonder why it won Pulitzer Prize. Trust me, it is one of the best works of fiction I have read. और जब मैं स्कूल में थी तब भी मैंने इसे पढ़ा था and I hated this a lot. I don't know why, but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बोरिंग लगी थी. But now when I read it again, I felt something different. It's beautifully written, it's precise. Story of an old fisherman who has been very unlucky, haven't had a single catch in 84 days in a row, and a boy who really cares about him, really thinks about him. This beautiful relationship between the old fisherman and the boy is worth giving a try. You will love it, and if you don't, read it again after 2 to 3 years as I did. और जैसे मुझे पसंद आ गई शायद आपको भी आ जाए. And the next one is Of Men and Mice, written by John Steinbeck. It is a story of two migrant workers, Lenny and George, living in California, moving from place to place in search of a new job during the Great Depression in the United States. It reflects the darkest aspects of humanity and ugly racism, a heartbreaking and a tragic story that you must read. And the next one is Animal Farm, written by George Orwell. It is about a group of animals who revolts against the cruel owner to take control of the farm, helping to create a society where animals can be equally free and happy. There is symbolism and metaphor to give you great lessons. It throws light on how the people in power exploit others. It's an amazing book and you should read this. And number 3 is The Metamorphosis, written by Franz Kafka. A man wakes up one morning to discover he's been transformed into an insect. His own family felt disgusted. All his life he has been taking responsibility of his family members, and now after the incident they try to push him away. While reading this, one could completely get into the character and feel the pain, betrayal and the struggle, and you must read this. Number 2 is Who Moved My Cheese, written by Spencer Johnson. This book is reader friendly and unknowingly it will teach you many life lessons. It introduces 4 types of characters, 2 mice and 2 people searching for cheese to keep themselves happy. Cheese is used as metaphor here. The story revolves around how each character reacts to an unexpected change. Their reactions to the situation give great life lessons that can help you how to deal with changes in your life. And this is a must read for everyone, and I promise you won't regret. And number 1 is The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Written by Louis Stevenson, this is a gothic fiction first published in 1886 and again an incredible work. It is about a legal practitioner who investigates strange occurrences between his old friend Dr. Jekyll and the evil Hyde. Jekyll and Hyde are the dual personality of the same person. This novel is commonly evoked to describe someone with a split personality. Its thesis is that a good and evil can exist in the same person, and the evil may be irresistible no matter how destructive. In one word, it's a masterpiece, and there is a reason I kept it on number 1, and now you must read this. Now that you have seen my video, you are bound to read this, and you have to read this even if you are the super busiest person in this world. I think the evil side of my personality just came out. Actually, that was not evil, that was cringe. सो होप यू लाइक माई रिकमेंडेशंस, और अगर आप इनमें से कोई भी नॉवल पढ़ते हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में वापस आके ज़रूर बताना कैसी लगी. आई वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी टू नो अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस विद ऑल दीज नॉवेल्स. And if you're super busy and want to see the summary of these books, then you can subscribe to my channel and I'll make your work easy. और अगर busy नहीं भी हो तो subscribe तो कर ही सकते हो. So like, share, subscribe and thanks for watching.